Hello, today I'm going to show you how to customize your taskbar to look more good and easier. As you can see on my desktop, if you want it to auto-hide and it will show up when you slide your mouse down to the bottom. Just put your mouse point on the free place and right-click on it. Then click on Taskbar Setting. Here, if automatically hide turn off, then your taskbar will always show up. But if you want it auto hide, then just turn this option on. And you also can change your taskbar to smaller by turn on Use Small Taskbar option. And you also can change your taskbar to the left side or to the top side if you want. And if you want to pin your program to your taskbar, it's very easy. Just right-click on your program and click on Pin to Taskbar. Then you also can customize its place too. Okay. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the like button. And see you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.